Art with Miss Co.
Hey everybody, Miss Co here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own spooky Halloween inspired potions. If you want to check it out, then keep on watching. Materials you need: paper, Sharpie, and something to color with. I'll be using marker. Let's get started. So the very first shape I'm going to start off with is going to be a diamond, but when I make my diamond, I'm going to leave the bottom not connected. Next, we're going to make a ring going around, and you're going to see why we left the bottom of the diamond disconnected. Make another ring going around, and this is going to be the lip of our bottle. Next, we're going to make 2 straight lines going down on each side. And for this potion bottle, I'm going to make it curved. So I'm going to make a large curve going out, and then coming back in, kind of like an S. Repeat on the other side. And I'll connect the bottom. Once I have that, I'm going to make the liquid inside. I'm going to make a squiggly line. I'm going to outline the outside of the bottle so it looks like the liquid's actually inside. Inside, I'm going to put some bubbles and stars, and it's up to you on what type of potion you would like to make for this one. I'm going to make some lines on my bottle to make it look like it's reflecting. And for the inside of my diamond, I'm going to make another diamond and connect the corners. And that way it looks like a gemstone stopper. For the next potion, I'm going to make a love potion, and the way I'm going to do this is by starting off with a heart. Make a ring going around, and this could go through your heart. Repeat one more time. And just like before, we're going to make 2 lines going down on each side. And for this bottle, I want it to be shaped like a heart, so I'm going to go ahead and make a heart shape. I'm going to curve up and out. Repeat on the other side and connect. Once again, I'm going to make the liquid by making a squiggly line, and then I'm going to outline the bottle shape. Since this is a love potion, I'm going to put some hearts and stars inside. Then once again, I'm going to put the lines and the reflections. For the stopper, I'm going to make some triangle patterns inside of my heart so it looks like a crystal. And I'm just doing this randomly by placing triangles next to one another. Let's make our next potion. I'm going to start off with a W. And then I'm going to connect 2 lines going down next to it. Kind of looks like a crown. Then I'm going to make another ring. Repeat one more time. And this time I'm going to make a diagonal line starting from the ring. Repeat on the other side. And then I'm going to make a long line going down. And repeat on the other side and connect. For this bottle, I'm going to make it look like a gem once again, and I'm going to start doing that by making a diamond shape on the inside. Then I'm going to make lines to connect the points. I'm going to draw some liquid inside by drawing a squiggly line and then outlining, just like we did before. I'm going to put some bubbles inside and for this potion, I want to make it a little bit different, so I'm going to make some smoke coming out of it. I'm going to make this big rainbow line coming out of the top, going behind my bottle and wrapping around. For the smoke, all we need to do is make a bunch of lines going in the same directions, repeating over and over again. I'm going to make the outside line first. Connect it. I'm going to repeat this until I finish the smoke. Make some lines on your bottle. Next potion, I'm going to start off by making my little ring. Then I'm going to make 2 straight lines going down. I'm going to be drawing a round bottle this time, so I'm going to do a circle connecting to the 2 lines we just made. And this time I want to put some eyeballs in my potion, so I'm going to make 3 circles. Inside of those circles, I'm going to make 2 more circles. I'm going to make some squiggly lines for the tail of the eye. And then my squiggle line for the liquid. I'm going to put some bubbles and also some squiggly lines for the eye vessels. Let's make another one. This time I'm going to start off with a skinny oval. Make 2 lines going down. And then a smile line. Once you have that done, we're going to make a ring going through. And then 2 lines going down. For this bottle, I'm going to make 2 diagonal lines going out. And then I'm going to make 2 more diagonal lines going in. And then a smile line at the bottom to connect. I'm going to make some dots for the top of the lid where the cork is going to be. And inside this bottle, I'm going to make a snake. And so for our snake, I'm going to make a S shape. Continuing on the other side. Right now it should look kind of like a backwards C. I'm going to make another line right in the middle of where the C curves. And I'm going to make that another curved line connecting to the line that we just made. Once you have that, make a smile line going all the way around. And then we're going to draw a line from where the curve is. And then I'm going to include a little tail at the back. For the eye, I'm going to make a diamond and a line going through it. And I'm going to give my snake some stripes. And a little squiggly line for the tongue. I'm going to make these tiny little lines going around my snake so it looks like our snake is shaking. The next one, I'm going to start off with a C. And then starting from where we were, I'm going to make another C and make it a crescent moon. I'm going to make a ring going around my crescent moon and then 2 lines going down. A smile line to connect the bottom. And then I'm going to make 2 diagonal lines going out. And then I'm going to draw 2 straight lines going down that slightly goes in. And then I'm going to make 2 more diagonal lines to connect the bottom. This time for this bottle, I'm going to make a W at the corner of the widest part of the bottle. And then I'm going to draw 2 lines going down from the points of the W. Draw your liquid inside. And add your detail. I'm going to make another oval. And then another oval going around it. I'm going to make 2 straight lines going down. Two diagonal lines going out. And a long straight line going down and slightly in to make a point. It should look kind of like a dagger. I'm going to make the liquid inside just like we did before with some lines on the side of the bottle. Last potion, I'm going to make my ring once again. And this time it's going to be a test tube, except our test tube is going to be made with wavy lines. I'm going to make wavy lines going down on one side and repeat on the other. Connect with a round line at the bottom. Make the liquid inside. For this test tube, I'm going to make the liquid coming out, kind of like what we did for the smoke. I'm going to make a curved line. And then 2 bumps, kind of like a heart. I'm going to add some little eyes for my ghosts coming out of the potion by drawing 2 circles and then the mouth by making another circle. For the extra space, I'm going to make some gemstones to fill up the space. For the extra space, I'm going to make some different things to fill up the space. The first one is going to be a gemstone. I'm going to draw a diamond and then a diamond inside of that diamond and to connect lines to the corner. Over here, I'm going to draw a long rounded line and then I'm going to make some pointed leaves. I'm going to repeat it on this side, except it's going to be a lot smaller. Down here, I'm going to make another curved line, and this time my leaves are going to be a little bit more curved and rounded. I'm going to draw a mushroom next. I'm going to start off by making a squiggly shape. Once I have that, I'm going to draw 2 curved lines going down and connect it back to the top. I'm gonna give some eyes to my mushroom. This time it's gonna be like a lemon football shape. Make another gem up here. This is going to be a regular shape. Another mushroom. And an eye with a heart inside of it as its pupil. And I'm just filling out my paper with a bunch of different designs and different things that look spooky and Halloweenish. Let's color. All finished. And there you have it. That's how you make some spooky Halloween inspired potions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys for the next one. Thanks, and make sure to subscribe to see more fun videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!